finally lying down. So comfortable.
Huh? Stuck? Hey! Move up a bit! You're totally blocking the way!
My muscles have been tense all day. Can't I just relax a little? You looking for a fight?
Whatever. I can't beat you. I'll ask the one below to make room.
Hey, next door. What's with the shoving?
Yeah, I'm shoving. What about it? Wanna throw hang?
What are you two arguing about, arguing right above me? If you've got the guts, take it outside!
Oh, shut up!
Yo, this vibration frequency is crazy high.
Snoring every night. So damn annoying.